Hey everybody, this is Eli Freestone, and you're watching my Project 2 review video for Mobile Development Frameworks 2, term 1311. On the left-hand side, I have the 4-inch iPhone Retina simulator, and then on the right, I have my iPad being displayed with Air Server. Uh, for this week, we had to do a collection view application that pulls in our Twitter followers, and I think it went rather well, actually. I didn't have any major snags. There was a lot of trying to work through the logic and then trying to rework the logic to avoid various bugs. But I think I did manage it fairly well. Because the Twitter calls aren't happening asynchronously, I'm going to load up the iPad just to show how long it takes and to show that it does load. And I've already preloaded the iPhone. The only thing I have not done yet is scroll the view. I just wanted to show that there is a little bit of a performance issue when you first load it, and this is actually because of the way I'm caching the images. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to work out how to get that to fully pull all the images right away, just asynchronously as the app was loading. Um, but I was able to get them to cache nonetheless, so it does work fairly well. Just the first time through, it is a bit stuttery because as it's retrieving those, but then after that, it runs very smoothly. All right, and then we can go ahead and click on some. Pops up a larger profile view, a larger profile image in a detail view with their the Twitter name. And that's about it on that. Let's go ahead and kill the app here altogether, and then we're going to kill the Wi-Fi, and I'll show you how I do the error message for that. All right. No connection. There is no internet connection. Please turn on Wi-Fi and tap retry. As you notice, there's a retry button that popped up beneath at the bottom of the view here. So let's go ahead and turn Wi-Fi back on, and then go ahead and click that, and the button disappears. And one moment please while your Twitter friends load. This alert will auto dismiss when complete. Alright, and then again the stutteriness at the very beginning. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and kill it off again, and I will deny access to it and show you how I handle that as well. There's that. Let's go ahead and get it running again here. Access denied. Access to Twitter was denied. Please approve access if you would like to use this application. Go to settings/Twitter, flip switch next to MDF2 project. Oh, that's supposed to be project 2. And tap retry. Again, the retry button shows up. If you try and click it, it actually, the way I have the retry button showing, it caused a bit of some weird behavior when it comes to the Twitter alert. As you probably saw, that the retry button actually disappeared for a moment and then came back. Everywhere I tried to place the hiding of that button, it was a compromise, and I felt that that one worked out the best. They all involved some sort of a lag or delay, and that one was the least apparent. So let's go ahead and reapprove it here, and then pop it back open and click retry. So there we go. One moment please while your Twitter feed friends load. Alright, so let's go ahead and do a really quick run through of my code here. For the Twitter call, I actually reused most of my project 1, although I did modify it, including giving it a different name and obviously changing the URL and all that. So when I first grabbed the user dictionary, the JSON object that comes in, the user's object inside the dictionary is not at the root. So I'm first casting it into a new dictionary called users dictionary from Twitter user dict. And then after that, I split it into follower names, which is a dictionary of all the screen name objects, and then image URL array, which is also, it's actually a dictionary, although I forgot to change it from array, but that's all the URLs. And then within cell for row at index path, or item for row at index path, I should say. Let's find that here. Oh, already passed it. Cell for item at index path, sorry. I actually check to see if an image has already been cached, and if not, I send the image name and the screen name of that specific object up to a custom method that I created called grab user image. It then changes the URL to get rid of the underscore normal so I can get the original size of the image. and then does the NSURL and NSData, creates a UI image, which I then insert into a mutable dictionary, which creates kind of a pseudo cache. The reason why I call it a pseudo cache is because as soon as the app is closed, it's killed off. I should say fully closed. If you just exit the app and then come back, it's still there. But as soon as the app is fully killed off, it's no more. So it's not a real cache in my opinion, but it does function rather well. So yeah, I guess that's about it. Some things that I think I could have done better this week would actually definitely be figuring out a way to do the Twitter call and or the images in an asynchronous manner, so it's not such an issue when it comes to performance. I did try and work out the logic, especially for the images. I even went as far as created a custom class and tried to do all my image caching in that, but it unfortunately, I think I was making it more complicated than it needed to be, and due to time constraints, I unfortunately had to set it aside for now. I'm definitely going to keep working on that and see if I can really figure it out, see what I was missing or what I was overcomplicating. Um, it just sounds like a good challenge to me at this point. So yeah, I guess that's about it. This has been Eli Freestone, Project 2 for MDF2, Term 1311. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.